Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Suburban Studios Birmingham Homewood I-65. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a facilities for disabled guests. Featuring barbecue facilities, Suburban Studios Birmingham Homewood I-65 is located in Birmingham in the Alabama region, 2.7 miles from Samford University and 6.9 miles from BJCC. The property is around 7 miles from Legion Field, 14 miles from Alabama Splash Adventure and 4.9 miles from Vulcan Park and Museum. The hotel has a fitness center, a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Birmingham Botanical Gardens is 6 miles from the hotel, while Birmingham Civil Rights Institute is 6.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Birmingham-Shuttlesworth International Airport, 12 miles from Suburban Studios Birmingham Homewood I-65. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.